Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control iPhone camera with Apple Watch Ultra 3. Basically there are two ways to do that. First one is through the apps list. So to open the apps list, press the digital crown button once, and then using the same digital crown, scroll down to camera remote feature or app, then tap on it to open. And then you'll be able to take a photo with it. But additionally, you can open your control center, then scroll all the way down this list, tap edit, and then tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down the options until you find the camera remote, tap on it, then tap on this icon to add it to your control center. You can also move it along the list if you want to replace its position. To do this, simply press edit and then move this icon somewhere else, for example somewhere at the top of the list, and then just tap any button to confirm. Okay, so right now to use this feature you have to tap on this icon and wait until your Apple Watch connects to your iPhone's camera. You can change the camera by pressing the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner and then selecting either the front or the rear camera. You can also enable or disable the timer in here. You can toggle the flash, the live photo, and the HDR of your camera. Once you're ready, press done, and to take a picture you have to tap right here in the middle and then wait until the photo is taken. Now all the photos that are taken can be either watched on your Apple Watch or on your iPhone in the Photos app. And that's how you take screenshots with your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.